Hi, everyone. We're the co-founders of Enrole, and we're here to talk a little bit more about the projects available for you today. So just to talk a little bit more about what Enrole is and why we founded it, Enrole is a mobile application that basically matches recruiters and talent or job seekers in a one-to-one format using an AI ML-backed algorithm. A couple of the reasons why we came up with the platform: on the recruiter end, we realized that recruiters have no way to get to know the talent before the interview because there's a lack of context on a resume and the qualifications presented on it. Additionally, we realized that startups pretty much struggle with recruiting talent. And normally, the recruiter for a startup isn't really the hiring manager, so they don't tend to have a full picture of the roles, the skills, and the qualifications that are needed for the role. Startups also have a hard time advertising themselves to talent, so they need a better way to be able to post their job opportunities and get talent that really wants to work for them. On the job seeker end, we realized that resumes don't have the ability to share a job seeker's whole story before the interview. And because of this, the hiring system becomes much more about networking, and the application process is much more tilted towards those with contacts. Finally, finding opportunities at startups is pretty difficult, and we just wanted to make it easier for recruiters and job seekers. This is a quick demo of what Enrole looks like in terms of swipe, tap, match, and chat. It's a two-sided platform that connects recruiters and job seekers, and we're currently working on bringing the application to life.
So our technology mission is simple. Any product we build, whether it's a user-facing or internal service, we want to make sure that it's secure, scalable, and robust. Our user security is utmost priority to us. We want to make sure that data is always encrypted. We want to also make sure that nobody's data is misused within the company or even by anybody who wants to leak that data. We also want to make sure that our platform is able to scale up and meet users' demand at a moment's notice. If we suddenly grow and we have a massive amount of users on our platform, we want to make sure that both our algorithm system as well as the application itself are able to scale up and meet that demand. And lastly, we want to make sure our software is always robust. Any user who uses our platform should have a simple and easy to use platform with no bugs and very little friction while using the platform. So for the projects that you guys might be working on, we have two micro teams that we have separated this into. One, we have a backend team who would be building our API structure, as well as managing the database and any other backend related infrastructure that is necessary for the platform to run. And on top of that, we also have the AI and ML team. While they exist separately, they'll actually be working closely together to integrate both of those platforms together, while the AI and ML team will actually go out and build more of the systems that actually process the recommendations and process user data to build and fuel our recommendation system. The backend team, we're interested in looking for people who have experience with API Gateway, Lambda, EC2, containerizing the system with Docker, and orchestrating containers with EKS, and other general database management skills. On the AI ML side, we're interested in looking for people who have experience using PyTorch, TensorFlow, Amazon SageMaker, and any other AI ML experience that they have. We're always looking for people who are enthusiastic about bringing new ideas and can bring ideas more than what we've already architected in the past. We always want people to feel free to present ideas to the table and just grow our platform more than we've already grown before.
So as Neil just mentioned, taking initiative is a big thing to us. We know that technology is always growing and evolving, and we want to evolve with it. So we really value when developers will suggest new ideas and help turn them into reality. We know that this is a great opportunity for anyone to gain experience in full stack development or AI and ML. And through this, you'll be able to work on an agile team effectively and convert tickets into features or authenticated endpoints. And we can't wait to work with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.